Cheers. This guy. You have to taste. Junkfoodtaster.com, and today I've got exotic sodas for you, aka soft drinks. So here we got the Woodruff, here we got Hello Kitty, here we got the Smurfs, and this one is very funny. Here we got DönerCola. Alright, so it's not Döner Kebab, it's DönerCola. And yeah, they are all chilled, and I will taste them one by one. And yeah, so first of all, let's check out Hello Kitty. And as you can see, the can is featuring Hello Kitty. It's pink and it says Star Drink Hello Kitty. And yeah, this is like the sticker, and it's a soda. Enough said, let's try it out, my friends. Oh no. Oh. Here we go. And the drink is pink as well. And God, it says raspberry. Did I say this? Did I say it's raspberry flavor? Anyways, let's have it. Cheers. Okay. Tastes sweet. Yeah, I think it tastes like a raspberry soda should taste like. I don't know of any other raspberry soda. It's straight, simple. It's my English. There's English. Here you can learn something about ingredients. It's very straightforward, and it contains vitamins. This is interesting. Yeah, it's simple, straightforward, and I think it's a funny party drink or something. So let's put it in here. Let's check out the next one, and I guess I go for the magical drink. So here is Papa Smurf, then the nerd Smurf, I forgot his name, and yeah, let's do it. Here we go. Yeah. Oh. Why is it pink again? No. I genuinely expect it to be blue. And this is the flavor blueberry. And it's pink. Like the one we just had before. I think it's a little bit darker. Let's try it out. Yep, it's blueberry. But I think I like the raspberry more. Here, I really don't have the right impression here. It should have been blue. Yeah? Why is it not blue? Anyways. Let's forget about this. And now comes this, and this is normally this is normally sherbet powder. I had this on my channel tons of times. Flavor is Woodruff, and this must be green now. If this is pink again, this must be green. Alright. Here we go, it is. So no surprises here. And as you can see, it's very foamy. Unlike the others. So let's have it. Yeah, tastes so much like Woodruff. Totally wicked. I have to say, it also tastes like a sherbet powder. This is some. These two were like fun stuff, alright? This is like a party, fun, birthday party, whatever. And this is here really exotic and strange. I don't like it actually. It's just strange. And we learn now what happens if you mix green and it tastes like this woodruff jelly. If you mix pink and green, 1, 2, 3, it turns into gray. It turns into white. Alright, only I will drink this in the end, by the way. So stay tuned. Now the DönerCola. I just expect a normal cola drink. Yeah, caffeinated soda with fruit flavor. Alright. Fruit flavor, really? Here, fruit flavored drink. Alright, this one got also artificial sweetener. The language is kind of funny. German, Turkish, English, and Russian. Alright, DönerCola.com. Let's have it. And this is like you have this on the packaging of the döner, but this time he's not holding the kebab knife, he's holding the cola. Anyways, let's do it. Oh, sorry. Oh, here comes the cola. Oh, oh. Here we go. Let's have it. Cheers. Here, sound. Cheers. Oh my god. All right, so this is really wicked. It is a cola, but at the same time it's got some really strange gummy bear, little bit like Dr. Pepper, just a super little bit. It's super distracting. A little bit like Ulo Duck. Yeah, it's really something special, and it's really unique. Haven't tasted a soda or cola like this. This is fun. It says fruit flavor, but what fruit? I guess the fruit now. The fruit is a little bit like plum. Plum and cherry or something. And now we mix this. Here we go. And yeah. So as you can see, it's yellow now. And now I drink this. Only on my channel. Yeah, I wanted to make it fun. Otherwise nobody is watching whatsoever. Here we go. Only on my only on my channel. Cheers. This guy. You have to taste this. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. All right. Some, some, it's some sort of Waldmeister. Some sort of Waldmeister raspberry fruits, crazy. It's unbelievably crazy. It's like liquid liquid gummy or something mix. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this review and thanks for watching.